In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how to create a QR code using Adobe Express. And the cool thing is, there's absolutely no cost, and all you have to do is have a free Adobe account. To get started, head to adobe.com/express. Once you're here, hover over Quick Actions, and then down here at the bottom, select Create a QR Code. Once you're on the free QR code generator page, hit Create Now. Now in the next step, head to a website that you want to create the QR code for. I have our website here that I want to create the QR code for some flyers. Head to the website, and then in the address bar, select the entire address, right-click, and then hit Copy. Head back over to the Adobe Express page, and then here in the Enter or Paste URL section, right-click and then choose Paste. Give it a second or click off of the address bar here, and you'll see your QR code will generate. And now we can edit or style the QR code. The first option that we have here is Style. Inside of Style, you can choose between hard edges, rounded edges, or circles. After that, you can change the border of the corners. And again, you can use squared, rounded, or circles. And finally, you can change the marker center, which are these squares here. You can have it either square or circle. After you finish with the style that you want, choose color, and then you can choose between the different colors that are offered here. And finally, you have the file format that you want to download it in. Choosing the file format dropdown, we have PNG, JPEG, or SVG. Make your choices, and then when you're ready, hit download. Once you tap download, if you're not signed in to your Adobe account, this is where you're going to be asked to sign up for a free one. Choose sign up, or if you do have one, hit sign in. Once you sign up or sign in, you'll then be able to save the QR code to your computer. Choose which folder you want to save to on your computer, give the QR code a name, and then hit save. After that, find the QR code to where you just saved it on your computer, and then you can use this file wherever you need it. Like I said, you can use it on flyers like we're going to use it, or you could put it on the back of business cards, posters, or your company's brochures. And that's how you create and edit a free QR code using Adobe Express.